Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how October 2020 will be for Cancer or Kataka Rashi or Karkataka Rashi natives. Firstly, the planetary positions. Venus is in the second, Sun in the third, Mercury in the fourth, Ketu in the fifth, Jupiter in the sixth, Saturn in seventh, retrograde Mars is in the 10th, and finally Rahu will be in the 11th house. Overall, you will have more positive planets this month. That means Sun, Mercury, Venus and Rahu are benefic or in favorable places for you in this month. Rest are not in favorable positions. With this benefic energy of many planets, you will be able to move forward with good energy in this month. Some of the major planets like Jupiter and Saturn and Mars, they are not in good position. They may bring in some sudden challenges at your work front. Family wise, if I have to talk, family support will be better for you this month. There's a good possibility of gain through overseas businesses or far off land which is seen. Health may be a little upset, but you'll recover well. So overall a good month, I would say. In terms of health, if I have to talk about, headaches is a possibility. Gastric or digestive disorders could be there. There could be some skin eruptions, bruises or cuts which are possible. And also there could be some stomach pain. With the sun and Rahu being in good places, I think you will have the energy to recover very well. So nothing much to worry about. Coming to career or business, for working people, you will feel more confident, specifically in the first half. Travel related to work may be there for some. So travel might start for some of the people. You will be able to work with a clear mind and you may have some good focus. But you need to be very careful when you are dealing with your peers. If you are careless, there are plenty of occasions where you may get humiliated. Okay, one or two objections or obstructions may come to you in this month. But overall, if I have to say, for working people, it's going to be a better month. Businessmen working with overseas customers or clients will gain well. That means they can acquire some new opportunity or get some new projects. Victory in competition is also seen. Support from the government will be indicated. So if you are working with the government, good support is seen. If you are having any big plans, okay, you can initiate those plans in this month. This is a better month for you for making good progress, so make use of it. However, even for businessmen, the possibility is that the workload will definitely increase because a lot of new projects are coming. Make the best out of it. For students, the confidence level will be high, so overall it's a good month for students. If I have to talk about wealth or gains, it's a good month where you can make good gains through speculation or even gambling. If you are working on overseas projects or expecting some overseas funds, yes, you'll gain through overseas investment, or it could be some returns. It's a very good month for you to plan ahead. That means if you are planning for some long-term investments, you can probably do them now. Overall, a better month for gains. Coming to the family front, you will get timely food, ample support from elders. Spouse's health may, however, be a little disturbed, and there could be one or two differences with the spouse. Children will make you more cheerful. They will bring in that joy, and if they were running sick, then probably they will regain their health well and then make you more peaceful. There is a possibility that you may start thinking about being more spiritual, or your mind may be pulled towards spirituality in this month. So overall, it's going to be a better month for you. However, there are some remedies which you can do. You can recite or listen to Narayana Kavacham on a daily basis. This is a long-term remedy. On a Tuesday, please visit Lord Subramanya or Kartikeya's temple and seek blessings. If you want to perform Annadanam on a Monday in a temple. That will be very helpful. Visit a Guru's temple and seek blessings of the Guru on a Thursday. If you want to fast, fasting on Saturdays will be very beneficial for you. And if you're looking at donating a few things, then you can donate rice, you can donate sweets, you can donate milk, white colored cloths, specifically on a Monday. Please do these remedies and make the best use of this month. I wish you all the best. Namaskar.